All right, this is the third lesson, but part 2 of the third lesson of the learning how to use TinkerCAD. And we are making our house. We learned how to do a floor plan. We grouping some objects and all of that. Now we're going to make it our own. So if you look in this picture, it looks like we are about to learn how to add pigs and bushes and fences and all kinds of cool stuff. All right. Does your house need the shade of a tree? Who lives in your house? Do you have pets or animals? Should your house have a gate or fence? Is there enough? Is one floor enough? What about extra floors or stairs? Can you extend your house with additional rooms? Will there be a place to park your car? Will you have furniture in your house? When you're ready to continue, hit next. Okay. Oh, whoops. All right, so you're supposed to be doing these things as they ask. Let's go ahead and answer those questions by making our house do stuff. Oh, here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and delete this guy. And we're going to go to next. Do we have a tree? No, we do not have a tree. See if you guys got some trees already in here. Shape library. Structures and scenery. Evergreen tree. Let's add in some of these guys. One big one. Smaller ones, maybe like a skinny one. I'm just copying and pasting more and more trees in. Change some of these trees up. Wow, this one's way too big. Let's go and delete it. Let's take these and just make them a little bit different. Some a little higher, some a little smaller, some a little... Then you can take these groups and like start copying and pasting the groups of them. This is where you really get to have fun with the application. Alright, so there's some shade. And you know what we need? We need... I'm going to show you the scribble feature here. Scribble feature, you can draw what you want, and so I'm going to let's go. Okay, let's hit done. It's not exactly what I wanted to do. Okay, that's what I want to do. Okay. Let's undo all this stuff. Right here. Well, yeah, we'll use this one. So this one makes the shape. So we're going to go do what we just had. There we go. And we're going to make this. Now I've got a little pond over here. Why not? Keep in mind, you guys do whatever you want. You're not going to be making what I'm making. So, okay, there we go. Who lives in your house? Do you have pets or animals? Well, I have a dog. See if we can find it. I saw under shape library, characters. I don't have an elephant. These are weird characters. but I don't. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Let's go and delete. We will hold shift and make him smaller. But I'm going to have an elephant. Whoops, Control Z. Anytime you do something, or you can hit this undo button and redo right here. I need to zoom in. Here's my elephant, Roman. Actually, I don't like that eyeball. We're going to put in our own. Or actually, I don't want to. We're not going to mess with that. Okay, so we got an animal here. You could also go like out of your way and add like squares and edit them down to make an animal. Should I have a gate? Now, if I remembered right in here, was, oh, making at home? No, that'd be like stuff that goes inside the house. Let's go. I think that's if you want to like model something you could build at your own house. Yeah, let's go back into the shape library. Structures and machinery. Do we have a fence? I'm pretty sure there is a fence. Came across one earlier when I was one of the other lessons. Some stairs, so let's go ahead and like favorite some of these as we go across. Something I see that I want to use again. So many shapes. Where's my fence? I know there's one in here. There used to be like a search feature on this. I don't know where it is. Let's go to featured. Nope. I swear I saw that thing. Well, we're going to put in a brick wall instead. Alright, so we're going to shrink this guy down. About like that. Then we're going to hit shift and shrink him down some more. Oh. Let's make this actually 5 feet tall. That actually seems a little tall for a fence. I think most fences are like 3.5 feet tall. So like this is a little wide. I'm just going to make it to where it looks about right there. Okay. Take this guy, duplicate. Now we're going to drag him out this way. Take these two guys. I'm going to duplicate them as well. And we're going to drag them out this way. Okay, then we're going to take these guys. And we're going to duplicate again. Move them out right. Oh, whoops. Control Z or undo up here. Fixes all of your mistakes. Why do I feel like I'm way above? Let's Control Z that again. Okay, there we go. See how it's off? It says it right here, so I'm just going to type 0 and it should be right on the track. And we're going to do, I feel like I can work with that size piece pretty well. Let's do one more of those size. Oh, whoops. Control Z. I'm going to copy this, Control C, Control V, and now I'm going to turn it 90 degrees. Select all these guys. There we go. Move it over just a hair. Alright, and then we're going to probably about this much right here. Control copy, Control paste. Turn him 90 degrees. And bring this over here, and okay, good. So now we have like a little entranceway to our house. Actually, oh, nope, Control Y. Let's move one over here. Okay, there's my fence. You could slowly make a picket fence. There's one in here. You're just gonna have to search around for it. Is one floor enough? No, it is not. We need to have 2 floors on this guy. So let's just go ahead and, first of all, I want this house to be bigger. So I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. Let's go and ungroup it. I don't like this doorway, so I'm going to take it. Oh, whoops, Control Z. There we go. Just delete that doorway. On a different one. So let's move this up. Oh, whoops. There we go. So we'll bring in another shapes, basic shapes box. Oh, wrong one, that's the drag. I think I'd be good at using this by now. Okay. So now, what's the height of this thing? 10. Okay, so I'm going to take this up 10. Okay, I'm going to drag it over here. Let's go down to 9. Take this corner into there. Okay, and then I'm going to add some stairs, which I know I saw those somewhere. Those are castle stairs. There we are. Okay, oh, I favorited them. I knew I was going to be using them. Alright. So, add in these stairs. Probably could have done a better job with those stairs, but for now we're just going to say that works. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this guy, duplicate, and I'm going to bring him right on up to 10. And now we've got an extra floor on the house. Okay. Can you extend your house to have additional rooms? Well, let's go ahead and first we're going to, oh wait, no, we don't want to do that. Well, that's a different day. Let's go to some basic shapes. Let's just make a little doorway. let's duplicate this one, it'll be easier. Duplicate, we'll drag you over here. We'll move you up, right there. And we will duplicate you again. So this time you're going to be solid. Oh, whoops. Didn't like that. Duplicate. What's going on here? Okay. We'll just copy it. I'm going to bring this guy up just a hair. Make this guy 1, and I'm going to make it solid. We'll take some cylinder. Okay, copy that. Actually, let's duplicate it, it'll be easier. And then we can move it right over here. And we know it hasn't moved any, so it's right there along with. Alright, good. So we added a balcony. Oh, it's kind of a good place to park the car, actually. So let's actually extend this out a little bit. This will be our garage, our carport. Okay, so we can put a car down there. We added the extra room. I'm going to delete this guy. I think there is a car. Oh, looks like you might have to make your own. Well, at this house, videos are getting long. I try to keep these under 20 minutes. Let's see if there's something else I can use. Here's a car. I don't think it's that cool of a car, but we'll use it. Where'd you go? Oh gosh. Holding shift, making it small. Okay, let's set some colors here. Let's go with a dark gray house. Group those. Selecting these two, I'm going to group them. I think I actually ungrouped it earlier. What's that? Ooh. Looks like this was not going in far enough. Don't know what that is, but we're going to delete it. I'm going to delete this guy. Duplicate them. Ungroup them. Oh, whoops. And I'm going to move this back to where it was. I was hoping to see the... What's going on here? It's not moving the way I want it to. Alright, here we go. Extend this out. Let's move this over. There we go. Raise it up one. Holding shift, click the other one, and I combine. Okay, now I can get to my floor. Let's make that a... Oh, it's too white. Okay. Do you have furniture in your house? So now we could go in here and add some furniture. Let's see, I think I saw some stuff. Let's go to here. But have fun, make whatever you want. You know, you definitely don't make what I made. This is not, I'm very not impressed with myself right now. This is not my best work. Okay, fine, I'll make a couch and then we're done. This video is getting too long. If I were you, I would take my time with it. Have fun with it. Go here. Duplicate this guy. Raise it up. Group it. Doesn't look right. So let's ungroup it. Let's bring this down a little further. And this is the edit the grid thing, so if I just like turn this to 0.1, I get a lot more freedom with where I can put my stuff. It's like right here, get a lot more degrees of movement. I think right there is good. Let's try that and see if it looks better. Okay, that looks a little bit more like a modern couch. We're going to go with a... No, this is 10 high, so I'll just type in 10. I'll drag this over here inside the house. So try to do what the questions ask. Make an extra room, make an extra floor, make a place to park your car. You don't have to make the car if you don't want to, but you need to do all what the questions say. Put in a little bit of effort, try to add some colors and stuff. Don't just go with the default. Let's go with like a, there we go, like a white couch would be cool. Cool. All right, you got windows, all kinds of stuff. So have fun with it. Send me some screenshots when you're done for the assignment, and that's all you got to do. All right, hope you have a good weekend. Unless you're watching this not on a weekend, and then I hope you have a good day.